In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the leaf spring insulator pad on this Ford F450. There are 4 of them, but the process is going to be the same with the same part for all 4. Let's get started. To get this off of here, hopefully yours isn't stuck. Sometimes they get stuck, but all you need is a pry bar. There's a little tab underneath it that needs to be pried down and out so that it can actually slide off. Maybe I can pry it down through this opening. There we go. All right, so that's what we are trying to get out. It has a little hole in the bracket there. Wiggle this off of here. There's the old one. Take the new one, and it is directional, mostly because of that tab in the center. It's going to be shallow and offset to one side, and that's so that you can slide it on easily. If needed, use a rubber mallet and tap it on until it locks in. Make sure it's seated all the way. It should be nice and snug once it's on. And now repeat the process for the other 3.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.